Hey guys, so I already said how my mom made me get rid of my dog Nevaeh, but she surprised me and she got me another dog. So yeah, here, let's meet her. Alright, so this is my new puppy. Her name is Ella. And she's a Yoshan, which is a Yorkie Terrier, and a Bichon Frise, or Bichon Frise, I don't know how you say it. She's 9 weeks old, and she's my little princess. And she's got like millions and millions and millions of nicknames. My boyfriend calls her Snuffleupagus, and my dad calls her Sugar Bear. Or Honey Bear, I don't know. But yeah, this is Bay, and we're going to be making a lot of videos because she's going to be a YouTube star. So that right. So yeah. And we got our cute little collar with cute little diamonds on it. But she's kind of crazy, so we're going to let her go play. Okay? Okay. So yeah, that's my puppy Bay. I'll put more videos up of her sometime. And yeah. Bye guys.